Hi students, today in 11th accountancy we are going to see branches of accounting and basis of accounting in your chapter 1. Okay, so in branches of accounting we have 5 branches. Yes, first one financial accounting, cost accounting, management accounting, social responsibility accounting, and finally human resource accounting. We will see one by one. What is financial accounting? So recording of all types of financial transactions. What is transaction? So whatever events that has monetary value, we call it as transaction. Okay, so in financial accounting you will be recording all types of financial transaction, and also it is of historical nature. So what does it mean? The transactions and events which have already occurred will be in past tense, correct? All historical data will be in financial accounting. And also this provides financial information to the management for taking important decisions. Okay, so with this financial accounting, the management will be in a position to make important decisions for the business or organization. Clear? And also it is concerned with identification, recording, classifying and summarizing. So we saw everything in our previous sessions, right? What is identification, recording, everything. So all these transactions are recorded in financial accounting. Next we have cost accounting. What does it mean? Collection, recording, classification and appropriate allocation of expenditure. What is expenditure? Cost incurred, we can say. Whatever amount you have spent for the business. So this will be recorded separately in cost accounting. This will not include profit. Only the expenses incurred or the cost of the product will be recorded in this accounting. You will not take profit into consideration. Next we have management accounting. Here all types of accounting information where you can make the presentation to the higher management. So for this you need a operations team to provide make a management accounting, and this will be utilized by the management in making decision making and also day-to-day operations of an enterprise. Okay, next we have social responsibility accounting. So what it is concerned with presentation of accounting information by business entities from the viewpoint of the society. Society is who? The general public, by showing the social cost. So what is social responsibility of an organization? So you should not harm the general public with your operations, correct? And also you should have some social responsibility motive, like suppose if something is happening like flood or earthquake or in this corona situation, the company should be ready to spend their money to the general public. Okay, so these type of accounting will come under social responsibility accounting. Each company has a social responsibility towards the society. So for this they will be having an account that is called social responsibility accounting. And finally we have human resource accounting. What it is? So when the accounts are identified and the reporting of investment made in human resource. Who are the human resource? They will be handling the hiring. They will be recruiting. Okay, hiring the employees. So for them we have an accounting. So that is called human resource accounting. Clear? So we have discussed all 5 branches of accounting. Now we will move on to basis of accounting. So basis of accounting are broadly classified into 2 types. One is cash basis and the other one is accrual basis. Okay, and we have one more thing, that is mixed accounting. Okay, so there are three types. One is cash basis, accrual basis. When both these are followed, it is mixed basis. So what is cash basis? Under cash basis of accounting, actual cash receipts and actual cash payments are recorded. So what it is? So for any purchase, you have to pay the money, and for any sale, you have to receive the money. There cannot be any credit transactions. Okay, so actually you should have received money or paid the money, or cash we can say. So that is cash basis. What is accrual basis? You will render the service, you will do the service now, but the money will be received later. Okay, within that accounting period we can say. So something would have been done, but the amount will be received later, we can say. So those type of accounting we call it as accrual basis. The revenue whether received or not, but has been earned. You have earned that amount by doing that work, by doing that service. You have earned that income, but however you will not be receiving it immediately. And also expenses. You might have incurred some expenses. Okay, but you will not pay the amount immediately. You say later on I will do that. For that also we have accounting. Because in future you have to pay that, right? You cannot include that in your profit and show. That is, however, anyway that is an expense for you, for your business. So that should also be recorded. So that is accrual basis. When both cash and accrual basis is followed in your accounting system, that is mixed accounting. Okay, clear? Understand the concepts? If you have any further clarification, you can get back to me. Thank you.